Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys why my favorite app or car app is NFS Heat Studio. Now this app is amazing, full of customizations. So here is my dream Lambo. I built this, and as you can see, there are many containers that you open that have about 15 cars in each. So here's like one of the packs. And let's go ahead and open this one. So guys, be sure to go download this game. This game is amazing. Alright, so here we can see what cars we are going to be getting. Ooh, some nice ones. Alright. Beautiful. So now this was not planned. And by the way, I made a new account just for the fact that I need to open new boxes. So let's go ahead and choose this, the Nissan R32, I believe. And this app doesn't actually take up that much space on your device, so that's another good thing. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and click Take to Workshop. And now here it is. Look, so first thing, you can just scroll around, zoom in, zoom out. It's amazing. So here we can change the color. And now there's many color things that you can do. And there's even specifications, so if you wanted it to be matte, then you can go ahead and make it matte. If you wanted it to be forged carbon all over the place, you can. Color shift, there's only, I believe, 3 color shift options. But this app's just amazing, full of customizations, and real customizations. And here I'm just going to make the window tint as dark as possible. So now let's go ahead and go to suspension. Now you can camber your cars like crazy, or you can just have a little bit and have lower your ride height. Alright, so now let's go to parts. Now look at, are these all of these carbon splitters? So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And now for the headlights. And guys, there's many customizations, so I would prefer you guys to download this game. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by NFS Heat Studio. So now we can change our side. And I'm going to make this wide-bodied in the back also. Change the rear lights to some dark speed hunters. Now let's change this license plate to a sub now, because you guys should do that, and it would be really appreciated. So now let's choose these wings, and I usually don't like super flashy wings, so I'm going to keep with the stock. Now we get to choose the diffuser, and every car usually has different diffusers, as I will choose that one. And now let's change the exhaust. So if you want it to be a racer, then you can make your exhaust 2 feet out the behind your car. But I'm not one of those people, and I just want to have a normal, nice Nissan exhaust. Now for the wheels. Now there's many wheels. So many. It's really cool. So what I would prefer you guys to do is do the ones in the front first. So let's go ahead and choose some random wheels, and you can change the scale, make them big, thin, or whatever. And now you can change the color. And guys, you don't have to do both of the wheels, because when you go to the front wheels, it'll give you the option to apply to all wheels. So just like the color for your car, you have all these special options. And for the inner rim, you can also choose the paint bucket on the second time. So you're going to click yes, and there you go. Now you got it on all 4 wheels. So now let's choose some mirrors. I'm going to keep with the stock, and now with the hood. Alright, that seems good. And these little front things seems nice. And now you can go to wrap, and you can choose anything. So let's say you want this rubber ducky. You can put it on there. Just learn how to do it. And I don't want to put the rubber ducky on there, so you guys can go ahead and learn how to do that. because I kind of forget. But yes, you can add just specs and whatever you like. So now let's go ahead and take it back to the shop and look at this beauty. Now we can save it, name it, and I don't know why my keyboard was like that, so I just decided to keep it. So now you can add it to your showroom, and your showroom can only have 5 cars, but you can save as many cars as you want. So if you want to save all your cars that you make, you can, but the first 5 that you can see is the ones that you specifically save. So you can go ahead and take photos and stuff like that, which is a very cool feature. So now when I exit, there it is. Our Nissan and our Lambo are there. And whenever you want, you can always go take your previous built cars back to the workshop and change them up. And now, yes, this is pretty what my dream Lambo would be. You know, maybe a little bit different or whatever. But yeah, and guys, this app is amazing. So let's go ahead and open up another container just to see what's in this one. Ooh, an R34 Jaguar. Ooh, this pack seems nice. And you can always click skip on the bottom right. And now let's go ahead and open a secret car. Now each container comes with a secret car, and it takes a second to download. But while this downloads, go download your guys' game. Alright, now let's see what our car is, and it is a Audi R8. And it always gives you these cool animations, which I love. And go ahead and take to workshop, and we can work on this baby however we want. You know, like again, change the color however we want it, however we want. Now let's go ahead and murder out this car just for the fun of it. Let's get some carbon, satin. Actually, no, matte, window tint all the way down. And you can just, whenever you want, just click save. Thank you guys for watching. Please go download this app.